SPY gone. Apple down here in a double bottom. The Q's new low a day. Tesla's like the only thing hanging on. 50, 20, 20, 10. This is why I told you guys. And by the way, I called this up here. Did I or did I not? Right here. Said if you want to shave some, this would be a great spot. If you're shaking, if you're freaking out, right there, right? And then we talked, and then I said it again here, and now we're talking, and now we're down here.
What do we do on double bottom?
I know what I'm going to do if it touches right here. Boing. We just did this morning for Apple. 191.14 is the upside. Yes? Look at what it did here. Look at what it did here. 190.50 was the downside. Yes?
Yep.
That's here.
Absolutely.
That's here. And that's here. Tell me those levels don't matter. Tell me what we're doing in here doesn't matter. Right? This is why. And that's why I try to take the time that I do to get to the exact areas so that I help you guys out. But does everybody see this? Look at this. And we make money no matter what direction it goes. And here comes the double bottom bounce on Apple, where you'll have a very tight stop here. If it breaks through, you guys will hammer puts on Apple below 190.50, watching to see if it breaks through and comes straight back up for a retest. We went over all of this in the VIP this morning, didn't we? Tesla's now on V-WAP. We'll see if Tesla can hold V-WAP here. Now, this is what I wanted to show you guys. So those of you that are still in the trade, right? You're holding on because you got like the world's largest diamond hands. But look, you bought in here. And now look at where VWAP is. You see this?
Yep.
This is all profit.
Yep.